What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Fat and Wavy. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to tell you how you can make money on Cash App. It's the easiest way. You do have to put some footwork into it, but other than that, very easy money. So first of all, it's the referral bonus. So people that had Cash App for a little while, they got the $10 referral bonus. You refer somebody, they get $10. After you refer them, after we use your code, then we all both send $5 back and forth to each other. They'll both get $10. It's easy. The only difficult part is getting when the other person have to make different emails and different Cash Apps and use different online banks. That when it start getting difficult, but it's still easy money. You can do it up to 4 times with one person. You can use 4 different online banks that I used already. So it's simple money. So basically what it is, say I got a Cash App, I'll send you my $10 referral bonus to you, and say you got Vero or Chime, or you can use another bank called Sophie, that's S-O-F-I, or you can use an online bank called Simple. You can use them too with this. So basically all you do is make a Cash App. I'll see my referral code, make sure you use my referral code on Cash App. Then after that, I will send you $5 and you will send it straight back to me. Very easy way to make money. That's all you have to do. Then you get $10. Then all you would do is go to a Gmail, make a new Gmail, make another Cash App, sign up for the other online bank like Chime. Then we just do the same process. I send you $5, you send it back to me. Then boom, you get another $10. Then you just keep doing that process until you use all 4 online banks. You just keep doing it and keep doing it. So you can make $40 per person. I was doing it for a couple weeks, then I stopped. You gotta run out of people to do it. If I was just doing it with my family most of the time, but yeah, so that's very simple. So all you gotta do is send your referral code to somebody, they'll do it. If they got Vero, Chime, Sophie, or Simple, they can use them. And all they would have to do is make a new Cash App, use your referral code, link the bank, like Vero, say you got Vero, link Vero bank to the Cash App. So all you do is, when they say add card, you go down and press no card, then they ask for the login information to your Vero account. Then you just put that in, then boom, you're all set. Then I would just send you $5, you send it back, then we both get 10. Then you go make a whole new Cash App, a whole new Gmail, then you sign up for Chime, whatever you call it, Chime. Then you do the same thing, link it to your what you call it, Cash App. Then once again, I send you $5, send it back, boom, another $10. Then you go to Sophie, you do the same thing, link it to your Cash App, your new Cash App. After you make a new Cash App, Gmail, and do the online bank, boom, I send you $5, you send it back, then you get another $10. It works. I saw people making $400 to $500. People are still doing it right now. A lot of people still doing it. So that is like the best way to make money. I do got pictures of proof of a couple I did. I did white out the names of some of the people, not the Cash App team, but some of the people that were sending it. Just kind of want their information on here, or their Cash App names. I don't know if they're comfortable with that, but yeah, I did with a few people. I did it with my mom, my sister, and a couple of my friends. I made about 180. Then I started, but I made that 180 in like 2 hours. It was like very easy way. I was making everything for them, so it was like simple process. So that's all you really need to know. Just to let you know, if you just making the Cash App now, they don't start you out at 5, so you have to know someone that already had a Cash App, that got the $10 referral bonus, because when you first make the Cash App, you ain't gonna have a $5 referral bonus. But like me, since I had Cash App for a while, I had the $10 referral bonus. So when I send my code out to people, I already had the $10. I don't know why you start out with 5, don't know, but yeah, just find someone that have the $10 referral bonus and then do it with them. I did it with my friend. It was easy, simple money. Easy money. So yeah, that's basically all you have to do to make the money through Cash App. I will have most of my pictures down below about how to make, no, I will have some of my pictures in the video, so you can see the proof of me making the money. I will also put some of the online banks down below, like the Sophie, Simple, Vero, and Chime, whatever you say that shit. So them will all be down in the description below. Very, very easy way to make money. And just make sure you subscribe. I do got other videos coming out and everything. About my other stuff from the channel, just not this. So make sure you subscribe, show some support. I'll also put the process down below, so if you can read the process too, that. Anybody else will try to make money, show them the video, just let me know. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Once again, this is Fat and Wavy. Yeah, you have a good day.